The stand, ano na po nang nangyayari sa mga cases like murder, crime incidents like robbery. Yun po yung mga tinututukan ngayon ng mga station levels po. Yun po ang first semester statistics ng Davao City Police Office.
Davao Oriental, one in first district, 67 IP, and the other one second district, 28 IP. So I have 3 battalions. Over sa dulo ng Davao Oriental, which is under me, one municipality, which is the municipality of Rini, Surigao del Sur. And doon naman sa Obosela Valley, yung dulo din nila, yung Trento sa Agusan del Sur. So overall, I have 10 in Davao Oriental, 3 in Obosela Valley, 1 in Surigao del Sur, and 1 in Agusan del Sur. So, yung kalaki.
Operations ng Davao Oriental, right now, sir?
Yeah. Alam naman natin yung Davao is so more or less yung Peace and Development Outreach Program ng AFP in general and the 10th Infantry, yung PDOC namin doon as is leaps and bounds in other areas of concern. Meron na kami doon na PDOC is being monitored down to the municipalities, and down to the municipalities meaning the chairman doon is iba't ibang mga ating mga